So take a guess, who do you think came up with this tiny powerhouse? Pretty interesting, right? What we're looking at here is the brand new successor to OnePlus's compact flagship lineup, the OnePlus 15T. And honestly, OnePlus seems to have gone all in this time, starting right from how they've handled production and distribution. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Let's begin with the display, because that's always been a core strength for OnePlus. Even though the 15T falls into the small screen category, which usually means extra effort and a completely different design process, it still carries the exact same display specs as the OnePlus 15. You're getting a sharp 1.5K resolution and ultra smooth 165 Hz refresh rate, and that signature hardware level brightness OnePlus is known for. On top of that, the bezels are even slimmer this time, just 1.1 millimeters on all four sides, perfectly uniform, giving it a super clean and immersive look. Now let's talk performance. The phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen5 chip. That alone is impressive, but what's surprising is that it's actually the higher end variant. I initially thought they'd stick with a standard version, but going with this top tier chipset really puts the 15 in true flagship territory. At this point, you might be thinking, okay, but what does any of this have to do with it being a small phone? Fair question. Here's where things get crazy. The OnePlus 15T somehow manages to pack a massive 7,500 mAh battery into a compact 6.32-inch body. Yes, you heard that right. A battery this big inside such a small device is just wild. This thing is basically a battery monster. You can expect insane endurance without constantly worrying about charging. And speaking of charging, it gets even better. The 15T supports 100-watt wired charging and also comes with 50-watt wireless charging. Honestly, I'd love to sit down with the OnePlus engineers and ask how they pulled this off. Fitting such a huge battery and fast wireless charging into a device this compact is no small feat. Now you might think, okay, that's probably where it stops, right? Nope, not even close. Let's play a quick game. What kind of camera setup do you expect from a phone this slim with such a minimal camera bump? Got your guess? All right, here it is. The OnePlus 15 features a 50-megapixel main camera with a large sensor, along with a 3.5x telephoto lens equivalent to 85 millimeters. That's seriously impressive for a phone of this size. And it's not just about hardware. The software is fully loaded too, with features like Lumia imaging, master mode, wide-angle mode, and more. The image processing is pushed to the max, just like you'd expect from a proper flagship. So now the big question, how did they manage to fit all of this into such a small body? At this point, it almost feels like a mini beast of a phone, doesn't it? Anyway, these are just my first impressions. I'll be dropping a full, in-depth review on March 26th, right after the official launch. Until then, stay tuned for more tech updates. See you in the next one. Bye.